In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix this problem if your Locket app is not working or it's not opening. Let me show you guys how to fix that. So the first thing we are going to do here is hop on Google Play Store here. Good. And now we search for Locket, and then all we need to do is we need to search whether there is an update. So after searching for Locket, you can see there is an update here. So we need to update the app and then go back and reopen the app to see whether it's going to open and not going to lag. So now let's tap on that and update that. So after doing this, if your app doesn't load or is still lagging, we move to the second option. That's we move to our mobile phone settings here. Good. And then we move to the apps section. So you can just hop on your mobile phone setting and then search for apps. All the apps you've installed on this mobile phone is going to appear. And what we are going to do is we are going to clear the cache and the storage. You get it. Now let's scroll. Good. And you can see there's the app, Locket. Now let's launch it here. And now let's move to the storage and then we clear the cache and all that. So now you can see the cache here. So we just clear the cache here. Good. And we are good to go. So, and you can also clear your data. But one thing you need to know about data clearing is when you clear your data, if you have an account or you've saved something on any app, it's going to be lost or it's going to be deleted. So if you have something important, if you don't want to lose your account, I suggest you don't clear your data, but I think this is okay. And also if your account is lagging or the app is lagging in a way, you can even choose permissions. Maybe it needs some sort of permissions and you've not allowed it on your mobile phone. So you can allow it to access your microphone and then your storage and all that. You allow that. So if this doesn't work too as well, now we move to the third option. That's we move back to Google Play Store. All you are going to do is you're going to uninstall the app and reinstall it once again. After that, your Locket app needs to work. So that's it on how you fix your lagging Locket app. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.